Not tonight, not tomorrow, but today with Day Abanga. Welcome to Today with Day Abanga. Today we have a remarkable guest who has built a successful business empire. Please welcome Tom Mojito. Good day, Tom. Thank you so much for joining us today, Tom.
Thank you for having me. I'm thrilled to be here.
Okay, so let's jump right in. You've achieved incredible life things in your career, but I'm curious, where did this journey begin? Can you take us back to the defining moment that shaped who you are today?
In my first job, I have learned on how to be adaptive in changes, how to be flexible especially in a workplace. Before, I did not even know the technology can really make my work easy. But because of my workmate, I have learned that being adaptive to changes in work is an important skill that you don't have to stay in your comfort zone.
Early in my career, I took on too much at once. I was determined to succeed, but I lacked the skills to manage my time efficiently. And since I'm new in this industry, minsan takot akong mag-move kasi baka magkamali ako.
So you have to adapt your approach.
Absolutely. That's when I discovered the importance of flexibility and adaptability. Learning to prioritize tasks, delegate when needed, and adjust my strategies on the fly became crucial for my success.
Absolutely. So let's talk about the global marketplace. How have social and cross-cultural skills played a role in your business? How productive you are in your business, and how can you lead your people?
As time goes by, of course, it is not just one job that I took. I work in various companies, and that's where I learned the importance of teamwork and collaboration. I've learned that when people with different skills and perspective come together, we can finish the task immediately. Each person brings unique ideas, making work easier, minimizing task duration, making the team stronger and more capable than any individual could be.
Tom Mojito, your journey is truly inspiring.
Thank you. It wasn't always easy, but by developing these essential skills, I was able to overcome challenges and create something meaningful.
Now, Tom, let's do fast talk. Do you support small business or not?
Probably support them.
To be handsome or to be smart and wise?
Smart and wise.
Your motto in life?
Diskarte over diploma.
That's it, Tom Mojito. Our viewers, always remember, the road to success is paved with flexibility, adaptability, initiative, and a whole lot of hard work. Again, this is Day Abanga. Not tonight, not tomorrow, but today with Day Abanga.
Thank you for watching. This is Today with Day Abanga.